No, it's me Ike here. I'm in Papua New Guinea. Ooga booga. Yeah, it's me Ike. Look, I'm here in Papua New Guinea. Yeah, fit right in. Yeah, nah, we're gonna shrink some heads later. And hey Kane, where's that chicken bone? Put the chicken bone in my hair so I look like a headhunter. Yeah, we're gonna shrink some heads later. And just stay tuned for our little special here on the New Guinea singing dog. Kane, is that right? They got a singing dog? Oh, shit. Well, yeah, I guess that's right.
People have been on New Guinea for at least 40,000 years. Something very special happened along the way. The New Guinea singing dog, or singer, is a type once found throughout New Guinea and surrounding islands. This rare canine is also referred to as New Guinea dingo, singing dog, New Guinea highland dog, New Guinea wild dog, Holstrom dog, New Guinea highland wild dog, Papua New Guinea singing dog, and the acronym NGSD. Little is known about its life on New Guinea or whether it still exists there. All research has been performed on the captive population. The ancestors of New Guinea singing dogs were probably taken to New Guinea by early travelers thousands of years ago. Separated from the rest of the world, they developed without influence from other. The unique characteristics associated with this canine are attributed to its long-term isolation. Today, many New Guinea singing dogs are serving as companion and therapy dogs as a part of conservation efforts to focus attention on their exceptional intelligence and physical abilities. Singers have been shown in competitive dog shows. When shown in competition, New Guinea singing dogs are presented in their completely natural condition with no trimming or alterations of any kind.